come to a comfortable position, lying on your back. If you are expecting, lie on your left side for optimal circulation. Place a pillow underneath the head and a pillow in between the knees. Close your eyes, quiet your mind, come to your breath. Breathing in through the nose, send the breath into the belly. Feel the belly rise, then the chest. As you exhale, feel the chest go down, then the belly. Stay with the sensation of breath moving up and down like a wave. Allow this process of breathing to relax the body and calm the mind. Surrender to gravity. Release control of the breath. Let go. The purpose of Yoga Nidra is to allow the body to deeply relax. For that to happen, it is beneficial to stay as still as possible. If you need to adjust for any reason to become more comfortable, please do so, then come back to stillness as quickly as possible. Remain relaxed and motionless, awake and alert. I will be guiding you throughout the entire practice. There may be long silences, and you may drop out and come back. If you come back during silence, know that you have not been left. If for any reason you become anxious, simply bring the thumb and forefinger together, or bend the knees, placing the feet on the mat. Follow my guidance. Relax, trust, and let go. Breathe in through the nose and guide your attention and breath from the eyebrow center to the base of the spine. As you exhale, direct your attention from the base of the spine to the eyebrow center. With the inhalation, feel the sound of so. With the exhalation, feel the sound of hum. Continue with this breath. So, hum. I am that I am. Now breathe normally and direct the breath up to the eyebrow center. Rest in silent awareness. Follow my guidance as we rotate our awareness through the body. As each body part is named, simply bring your awareness to that part. Bring your awareness to the forehead, face, jaw, throat, shoulders, upper arms, tops of the hands, chest, abdomen, pelvis, thighs, knees, shins, tops of the feet, toes, soles of the feet, heels, ankles, calves, back of the knees, buttocks, lower back, upper back, shoulder blades, neck, back of the head, top of the head, now visualize the whole body together, one integrated whole. Rest in this awareness. Become aware of the inner space you see behind your forehead. Develop your awareness of this space, an infinite space that extends as far as you can see, as low, as high, as wide as you can see. Become aware of this space. Be totally aware but not involved. Observe it as if you are watching a movie. What you see is a projection of your subconscious. Whatever you see is simply the way your mind is manifesting. Maintain your awareness. Bring your attention to the eyebrow center. Focus your attention on the eyebrow center. Imagine you're sitting in a meditative pose in the eyebrow center, silently repeating the mantra Om in synchronization with your breath. Awareness of sitting in the eyebrow center, repeating Om in time with the breath. Continue. Now bring your attention back to the eyebrow center only. Return your awareness to the space you see behind your forehead. Watch this space carefully for any colors or patterns that emerge. There should be no effort, just awareness of watching. Total awareness of watching with no involvement. Continue watching this space and become aware of any images, any spontaneous thoughts that emerge. Try to become aware of these. Bring your attention to the eyebrow center. Here you are witness of all that is happening, but doing nothing to make it happen. Remain empty and free from all doing. Rest in awareness. Here, intentions are fulfilled effortlessly. Allow yourself to accept this intention. I am peaceful and at ease. I am peaceful and at ease. I am peaceful and at ease. Allow this intention to resonate and integrate on every level of your being. Reside in the recognition of your higher self. Accept that you are surrounded by the love and support of those seen and unseen, past and present. You are the channel for this light and love. Allow yourself to share it freely for the highest good of all. Rest in this awareness. Gently bring your awareness back into the room. Become aware of your breath. Become aware of your body. Maintaining the peace you've cultivated, Begin to move slowly and mindfully. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Stretch. If you're lying on the spine, draw the knees in. As you're ready, roll over to your right hand side and rest there a moment. If you're lying on your left side, remain there. Notice how quiet the mind is, how relaxed the body is, how soft the breath is. Know that you can come here again and again. Keeping your focus inward and your eyes closed, gently press yourself up to a seated position to prepare for a brief meditation. Sit on a cushion or a folded blanket to elevate your seat. Lengthen the spine. Close the eyes and rest the palms around the knees or on the lap. Or place your hands around your belly. Sit quietly, listening to the inner stillness, perhaps messages from your higher self. Gently bring your awareness back. Place your palms at heart center, prayer hands, Anjali Mudra. Bow forward to honor the light within you. I thank you for allowing me to guide you.